In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate working hours in Microsoft Excel. This is a very simple Excel task, and once you understand the basic setup, it becomes quick to repeat for any schedule or timesheet. The goal is to have Excel calculate the difference between a start time and an end time, so you can see the total number of hours worked. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and set up two time entries. In cell A2, enter your start time. For example, you can type 8 a.m. Then move to cell B2 and enter your end time, such as 5 p.m. These two cells will act as the beginning and ending points of the work period you want Excel to measure. It is important that both entries are recognized by Excel as time values. In most cases, if you type the time using a format like 8 a.m. or 5 p.m., Excel will detect it automatically. If needed, you can also format the cells as time to make sure everything displays correctly and calculates properly. Once your start time is in A2 and your end time is in B2, click on cell C2. This is where the total working hours will appear. In that cell, type the subtraction formula exactly like this, equals B2 minus A2. In other words, you will enter equal sign B2, A2. After you press enter, Excel will subtract the start time from the end time and return the time difference. Using the example of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., the result will represent 9 hours. Depending on your cell formatting, Excel may show the result as 9 o'clock, which means 9 hours and 0 minutes. If the result does not look the way you expect, the issue is usually formatting rather than the formula itself. In that case, you can format cell C2 as time so the duration is easier to read. That helps make the output clear, especially if you are building a timesheet or tracking daily hours over time. This method is useful because it is fast, accurate, and easy to copy down for more rows if you have multiple work entries. Once the formula is working in one row, you can reuse the same structure for additional records. That covers everything you need to know.